What's up, everyone? If you've seen some of my other videos, you may know I'm working on the Carolina Mountain Club 100 Waterfall Challenge, and today I'm going to try to hit 5 different waterfalls all in South Carolina. The first one is Yellow Branch Falls. It's about 3 miles, so not that long, but since I'm trying to do 5 waterfalls today, let's get started. So I've been on trail for a little over an hour now, so I'm gonna have my first snack of the day, which is gonna be this untapped maple salted cocoa syrup. So on to the second waterfall for today. This is Issaqueena Falls, I believe it's pronounced. It is located within like a park, which I didn't realize, so there is a $5 fee to get in, so bring cash, which I luckily had, but I wasn't expecting it. I'm assuming this is the top of the falls, and then I think you can hike down to the bottom. So waterfall number 3 for today is Oconee Station in Station Cove Falls. It's a little over a mile and a half total, so again another fairly short trail. about lunchtime, but I'm still out on trails exploring, so I'm gonna have another one of these untapped maple syrups. So I'm on to, what is this, my 4th waterfall for today? This one is Kings Creek Falls, which I don't think is actually part of the, this big spider web. I don't think it's actually part of the Carolina Mountain Club's challenge, but it's right next to Spoonauger Falls, which is, and I'll be going to that one next, so I figured might as well do this one too. I think this is like a mile and a half as well. So this is waterfall number 4 of the Carolina Mountain Club's waterfall challenge for today. This is Spoonauger Falls. I'm pretty sure this is another short one, like less than a mile. So we'll go check this out real quick.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So I'm at the last trail for the day. This is Lee Falls Trail. I think it's about 3 miles, so hopefully I'll get to complete it. It looks like it might storm, but I think I'll be alright. So for Carolina Mountain Club's Waterfall Challenge, this is the 5th one for today. And then I'll head back to the campsite. So All Trails says this is the right path, but I'm like literally just walking through a big field right now. So I didn't have my camera out, but a black bear was sitting up there and just ran up into the woods. So I can see the waterfall now from here, but it's still a bit more of a climb up. So I'm not sure if this is actually the end of the trail or not. So I found the trail again. It's just a bit difficult to get up if you got some short legs like I do. So this, ow, stinging nettles. So this last part is really more of a scramble than a climb. But there it is.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.